Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable and view the Thesaurus feature or function or tool in your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your document on LibreOffice and you will find the Thesaurus tool here at the top under Tools. Click into it or use the shortcut Control F7. And then guys, what you need to do is highlight the text, of course. So let's assume your document features text. And you may, for example, so let me highlight that example document here. What you want to do is, for example, use the shortcut Control F7 to access it via shortcut. And then you may, for instance, use or type in the word you would like to replace, and the replacing word just at the bottom, for example, choosing it from that list of alternatives here. Now you can of course change the language here and confirm by clicking into replace, and that would, for example, let us go with let us use this example, and there you go. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.